Hey guys, I'm doing a slime video. So I got this one, and it's from K-A-Y-A, no, K-A-Y-L-A 72123. See, y'all can't really read that, but yep. So I kind of want to do this one first. I already tried to do it, but it didn't go out so well because this one is really sticky. Look, like it already got to my finger. Like not that much, but a lot kind of did. Let me get this one. I had another one, but what is it? I left it in my cousin's house. I'm really sorry, guys. I really want to show that one, but maybe next video. I haven't done a video in a long time. Oh no, I think I got slime on my phone. What the heck? Oh god. Okay, I guess we're done with this one because it's not even sticky to my hand. Look at that. I can't even get it off. Get in there. See. There we go, we got it in there. Now I have some white stuff on my hand. And now we're gonna do this blue slime. This is my favorite slime. Do y'all hear that? It's not a lot anymore. This is a same one by the same girl, and it's blue. I can stretch it like really far. Oh. But but let me see. I'm not gonna do it in the bucket this time. So that's what it looks like. I think I got a rock in here still. Yeah, I accidentally got a rock in here. I don't know how I got it in here. Oh, my cousin was always looking at it. There we go. Oh, a bee fell out. Pick that up. Okay, yeah, I have lights like that. I might turn off, by the way. Woo, this is my favorite slime. Because look, this one doesn't really stick because I always play with this one. Because it's my favorite. I put some beads in here. Same girl that made it. I put some beads in here to make it like decorate. But I'm going to buy your slimes again. Oh, and also when I got this, she gave me a note. So I'm going to read that note to y'all. And she gave me some snacks, but I don't feel like eating it. So, let me get the note. I'll put it back here. Okay. Says note. It looks so cute when she puts a heart on. It says, "Hi, thank you so much for buying my slime. Sorry for the wait. I hope you enjoy the slime. Thanks again. Hope to talk to you in the future. From Kayla. P.S. Sorry for all the tape. LOL." And y'all can read that. I'll give y'all a chance to read that. Okay. Hope you finished it. If you didn't, just pause the video or rewind it and pause the video. So now instead of just like, oh, wrong line. Oh. So y'all didn't see the thing in it? It's my favorite slime. I do not know why. Maybe because it's not sticky. So now I am going to play with this in the dark for a little bit and show y'all what the lights do. Like my lamp and my real light is going to be on. So it's going to be dark for a second because I'm going to turn off these lights real fast. There, I turned off. So there's one light off. It's going to be pretty dark, but oh, okay, hang on. I kind of don't. Hang on. I'm just going to have my lamp on for a second until I get these lights on. So then There we go. Oh, it's on me. Wow. It looks so pretty. Look, guys. Look at it. It looks so beautiful. It's all over it. So, yeah, I'm going to see if I can... I can't really... But I'm going to try not to be in the way. But this is the slime right here. Lights. It's so cool. So, yeah. Okay. I'm going to turn... should I turn on the lamp? It kind of looks cool. I like it. Willow, out. Okay, guys, I hope you... Hang on. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure to click that bell. And comment down below what's your favorite part of the... Which is your favorite slime? The blue one or the white one? Bye, guys.